This is the documentary guide of how to be a freshman in high school, and is it really that bad?
Most kids going into high school have some thoughts and fears about how high school will be for them and how they will be treated. Today we are looking to analyze, break down, and solve many issues kids have going into their first or second year of high school. Although to some it may seem intimidating, freshman year can be one of the best and least stressful years you ever have.
It was only right to speak with a freshman to hear what they had to say about their entire year.
Alright, this is BTerry. I'm Matt Colt. Reese, I'd just like to know, first question, were you worried about going into freshman year?
I was a little concerned going into freshman year because I was scared that my grades weren't going to be as good as my parents would like it. And since I am playing volleyball, I was concerned about not passing for that.
In this next one, you'll see we spoke with Governor Tucker Watson, a future governor, because he's a good friend of ours, and he was glad to help us out and tell us how he felt about his freshman year and how he thought it went for him.
You think it's easier being a freshman now than when you were a freshman?
No, I'd say it's probably about the same. I don't think it's any different.
Second question. Which year of high school was your favorite thus far?
I'd probably have to say freshman year is my favorite.
Please explain why.
I guess school still wasn't...
Specific moments too. Anything that pops into your head.
School hadn't gotten hard yet, so we still, I don't know, we could mess around in school and didn't really have to focus on schoolwork.
Anything else?
Duke and I had to give our opinion on the topic as well. Alright, Duke, I know I didn't really have too many issues. I was kind of sketched out about going into high school, freshman year, but how'd you feel about it, you know what I mean?
I was worried about, going to classes and making it on time. I feel like they'd be more strict here than in middle school, so I was a little worried about that.
Yeah, I can understand that. Your locker's way in the, basically in the middle school.
Yeah.
Exactly. Mine was kind of in a nice central area, but yeah, it wasn't too bad. After a couple weeks, we got used to it. And they definitely eased up on everything like dress code. And at the beginning of the year, they're strict. Remember they were going to do that thing in the hallways where if you were late into a certain hall, But yeah, they eased up on that. Now, we can't speak for 8th graders today. That's why we had to bring a few in and talk to them about how they felt about going up to the high school next year. Alright, so how are you feeling about going up to high school next year? So we didn't want to talk to some 8th graders, and we're here. How you feeling? You worried?
I'm a little worried because I don't know many people there, and I don't know how it'll be next year.
Yeah, it's definitely a little bigger experience, all over a little more. How are you feeling about high school next year?
I am nervous about it because it's new.
Yeah,
Compared to the middle school.
Middle school,
Teachers.
you know everybody, and it's smaller, but yeah, it's all good. You guys will be fine up there. It's been a week or 2 years, oh, this is same old, same old. By the end of freshman year, it's wow. How do you feel about going up to high school? Being a freshman, you concerned? What are you feeling?
It's nerve-wracking because I don't know many people up there, and I don't know how it's gonna how it's gonna make me seem when I go up there, and if I say something wrong, is it gonna put me in the wrong position towards everybody else?
Mm-hmm. You worry about classes at all?
No.
Do you know your way around?
Yeah.
I think there are a couple things freshmen should know. Just enjoy your year. It's probably the easiest year. They got people we interviewed said that freshman year is just a good year, and we agreed that we enjoyed freshman year the best. It was just a carefree, enjoyable experience. I like the seniors we had. I like the upperclassmen, and most of them were pretty nice to me, pretty nice to us. If you're chill and don't do anything, don't act out of your place, you'll have a great time as a freshman. And yeah, freshman year is good, and you shouldn't be worried going up into high school. It's not that hard. The 8th grade high school transition, there's really not that much of a difference. There's just a couple older kids up there in the school. So yeah.